ago, humanity was evolving. So was technology. People from everywhere wanted things easier and done for them. This device
Oops. Sorry about that. Had to clear my throat. This sonoff device is a Wi-Fi on-off switch. This works with your existing router. I know technology scares people. It's like one big long loop. Doesn't make any sense or what have you, but I assure you this is very easy to put together. This particular one is 2 wires in, 2 wires out. You take an extension cord, you cut it in half. Just make sure you have the neutral wire going with the neutral side and the lead wire going to the lead side on both ends, of course. So they just screw these wires right into place, put these caps back on. Apparently I only had 3 screws, so I'll just get a screw from one of my little bins that I have. Now for the setup, what you do is you go to your Google or your Apple App Store. So once you get this downloaded, you'll open up the app. You will hold in this little button and just follow the instructions as you open the app. It's very easy, very self-explanatory. You'll have it'll find your device. Once it finds your device, you'll be able to turn it on and off, rename it, and do a whole bunch of other things too. And that is it. To show you how it works, here I'll show you real quick. I'll plug in a light. Here you go. And look at this. Ready? On, off, on, off. Awesome. And you're all set. You also have all these little settings down here at the bottom for scheduling or whatever. Well, there's a thumbs up. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, really helps out the channel. Give me a good thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy.